guys, welcome back to Guvi's YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a very fun video. We are going to compare some of the most popular operating systems. But before going into the video, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Today we are going to compare these famous operating systems by assessing their features, performance, security, compatibility and user experience. Number 1 is Windows. It was developed by Microsoft. It is known for its user-friendly interface. Windows 11 is its latest update. It is compatible with most software and hardwares. It's also known for its frequent updates and security patches, and it is mainly used for gaming and professional advancements. Next is Mac OS. It was developed by Apple for Macintosh computers. It is known for its sleek and intuitive designs. It is highly integrated with all the Apple products and their services. Excellent for creative professionals such as graphic designers and video editors. Mac OS 14 Sonoma was its latest update. Next is Linux or Ubuntu, which is an open source OS with a lot of distribution. It is known for its high customization and flexibility. It is used in servers and enterprise environments. It is great for programmers and developers. Its command line interface, that is the CLI, is prevalent. There are many desktop environments to choose from like Genome, KDE, etc. Next is Android, which is developed by Google based on the Linux kernel. Designed for mobile devices including smartphones and tablets, and has a wide range of applications from the Play Store. Highly customizable for device manufacturers, and the updates are released very frequently. Next is iOS. It is developed by Apple for iPhones, iPads and iPod Touch. It is known for its security and privacy features. Less customizable compared to the Android, but the updates are very frequent and it is only exclusive to the Apple hardware. Next is Chromos, developed by Google and designed for Chromebook. It is lightweight, fast and used mostly in the web-based tasks. It is highly secure and easy to use in schools and businesses. It is very less compatible apart from the web apps. FreeBSD, open source OS based on the Berkeley software distribution. It is known for its security and stability features. It is mostly used in the server and networking environments. UNIX. This is the basis for many other operating systems including Linux and Mac, and it is also very stable and secure. It is most commonly used in enterprise and server environments. Windows Server. It is a version of Windows designed especially for servers and data centers. It offers scalability and enterprise level features. With that, we have reached the end of the video. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to Guvi.